In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to show followers on a Facebook account. Let's get started. First, launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now click on the settings icon. Once you're over here, scroll down. Head over to the section Audience and Visibility. Now navigate to the option Followers and Public Content. Click on this option Who Can Follow Me. Set it to public. Then you can head back. Click on the option Who Can See Your Followers on Timeline. Set it to public and click on Save. Once you do this, navigate to your profile page. Now click on the option Edit Profile. Now scrolling down, you're going to find this section of Followers. Under that, you will find the option of Followed By. Check in for that option. And that's it. That's how you can show your followers on your Facebook profile. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.